Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Vimino, China. Today we are going to ship the 68 kWh battery pack for Nissan Leaf AZE0 to Australia. The original capacity of customer's car is 30 kWh battery. He will replace with our 68 battery pack. Now let's check the battery pack. You can find total 6 big modules. Our layout is neat and tidy. We built our modules all from the CATL A grade cells. After many procedures in our factory, only for the simplicity after customer received. We had reprogrammed the BMS according to the information of customer's car. So after customer received, he just need to plug into his car and then the dashboard will display the whole correct new mileages and no turtle appears. Now let's check the battery performance. We use this OBD tool to check the battery performance. Now, the capacity of each cell is 195. SOH is 100%. The voltage is 354 volts. The voltage difference is 11 millivolts. Very good, right? SOC is 46%. We discharge to this SOC only for the shipping later. Let's check the other status. Battery temperature, okay, that's for all the data. Arrange the delivery to C for now.